What we have here is another low-profile cooler from Noctua, which is the NH-L12S. Improving upon the original, which is the NH-L12, the L12S includes a different fan, which is the NF-A12X15, and sports some differences in the physical dimensions of the heatsink. Unlike the other coolers from Noctua, this model doesn't yet have a Chromax version, which means that the heatsink is unpainted metal, while the plastic parts of the fan are in the traditional tan and brown colorway, signature to Noctua. Inside the main box, we have this smaller carton box, which contains the mounting pieces or parts, both for Intel and AMD CPUs. The L12S makes use of Secufirm 2, which is basically the second iteration of Noctua's proprietary mounting system. Another carton box here, but nothing inside of it, just merely acting as a separator. And lastly, as we are seeing the cold plate here, is the heatsink itself. Going back to the box of mounting tools. There is a separator inside so that the Intel and AMD parts don't end up mixing together. Just make sure to put them back in their correct sides of the box after use. We also have here a low noise adapter, a Noctua badge, and a tube of Noctua's NT-H1 thermal paste. As for the heatsink, it has its own separate carton box. We can see that the L12S employs 4 heat pipes, which, along with the base or cold plate, are made of copper. The included NF-A12X15 fan is already mounted to the heatsink by default, I guess to save space within the outer box, and is oriented to blow air away from the motherboard. You may choose to move the fan to the other side of the heatsink if your case clearance would accommodate the extra 15mm of height. And that is it for this unboxing video of the NH-L12S low-profile air cooler from Noctua. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel to show your support. I'll see you all in my next video.